there, welcome back. Today's video is our Boxycharm unboxing. I'm so excited. These are some of my absolute favorite videos to film for you guys. I love doing unboxings, especially subscription unboxings, and Boxycharm is one of my favorites, so I'm so pumped to see what came inside of the November box. Let's go ahead and get started. Let's say it together. This year has flown by, at least for me. I feel like November just crept up on me, and Rowan's birthday is next month. I'm gonna have a 1-year-old, which is like, I cannot believe it. So I'm just treasuring every single moment in November because I don't want it to be December. His birthday is December 1st. But I'm gonna go ahead and start. I'm opening my box right now. If you are new to my Boxycharm unboxings, or if you are unaware what Boxycharm is, it is a monthly subscription service that is $25 every single month. You receive 4 to 5 full-size items, and we always get to try out new beauty products, and I'm excited to see what we got this month. So let's go ahead and see the theme for the month. This is the Harvest box, and I'm so excited to see what came inside of it. Boxycharm does send these to me, so you guys know, for review, but I always give my honest opinion. I always tell you guys if I think they're worth it or not, but I will tell you that I do think generally they are pretty worth it. They're a pretty good subscription box, at least in my opinion. Oh my gosh. You guys, I'm seeing the first thing in here. This is Natasha Denona. What? Sweet. Okay, so we got Natasha Denona palette. This is one of her five pan eyeshadow palettes. I'm gonna see which one this is. Okay, so this one is called the Peak palette. I don't remember seeing this one, but here is what it looks like. I'm excited because I don't own much from Natasha Denona, and I always get excited to try out her products. I had a 5-pan palette. I think it was called the Star palette, and they ended up returning that one because I wasn't in love with it, but I'm excited to have another palette from her. So here is what the Peak palette looks like. So you get 5 different shades. It does have 4 mattes and just 1 shimmer in there. I'll go ahead and give it some swatches so you guys can see what it looks like. This is definitely like a neutral palette, so if you are into neutrals, I think you will like this one. Perfect for that fall season too, and kind of transitioning into winter. I think that this would be really pretty. So here are the swatches of all 5. That shimmer is beautiful. And then you have the rest of the colors right there. This one is exciting, and I think that these retail for $48. So that right there is worth it for me. This is a great find to get. I feel like we don't really get Natasha products very often. I got the Blush and Bloom palette in a subscription box as well from Boxycharm, but that one was a premium box. So this is the base box. So that's pretty good. Okay, moving on, we have from Bodyography. This is a eye pencil. It says a 2-pack, so it looks like we have 2 different colors inside of here. I'm gonna go ahead and open it up. The price on this right here is going to be $16. And let's see what the colors are. So the first one is like a brown shade, and I'm trying to get the second one out right here. Sorry guys, here we go. Okay. And the second one, I'm assuming, is a black. Yes, so it is a black. So we have a black and a brown. I think we've gotten something from this brand before, but I can't remember. So opening it up, these are wooden pencils. And I'll go ahead and swatch the brown. I swatched the black already. It's definitely a deeper brown shade, but there are a couple of swatches. They seem very pigmented. These would be nice for like smoking out on your actual lash line, or if you wanted to use them in your waterline. I feel like they're creamy enough that they would work for that. So it's nice to get 2 different ones. I feel like a lot of times we just get one. So I like that we got 2 different liners. Okay, moving on, we have something from Jouer, and this is another like brand that we don't see in here very often. This is the Essential Lip Enhancer. Awesome. So I think this is going to be more of like a moisturizing lip product. I haven't tried this one. I don't know if I've heard anything about it either, but it's in like the squeezy tube bottle. Go ahead and do a little swatch of it. I'm assuming it's just going to be more of like a lip balm, like a nourishing lip balm. It has a tiny tint to it, but it doesn't look like it has much color. It looks like it would be nice and hydrating. It's a little bit sticky. Let's see if it has a scent. I have a little scent to it, but I'll be curious to try this. It's great for the wintertime as well. Once you need that hydration, at least for me. I live in Michigan, and it gets very cold here in the wintertime, so hydration is something that I'm needing at all times, especially on my lips. Okay, next up, we have something from Earth Harbor, and this is their anti-pollution youth serum. So it says here, use daily. This liquid will help after sun replenishment, bold defense against elements, and thriving barrier function. Forgot to tell you how much the Jouer lippy was. That was going to be $17, and this serum here retails for $48. So another pricey product. Ooh, I like the color. I like that it's red. I feel like that's kind of different. So this is going to be just like a hydrating serum that you can use. I do really like that color. I feel like you don't see that a lot with serums. And then let's see what else we got in here. We have another product, and I think it's another lip product. That's interesting that we got 2 lip products. I feel like that doesn't normally happen. This is a lip oil, and this is from the brand Inked Cosmetics, and it's a lip oil. Let me go ahead and open this one up. It has like that outer plastic on it. I don't want to open this, but it's like one of those squeezy tubes again. Like I said, very interesting that we got another lip product in here. I'm gonna go ahead and just open this. I feel like if I didn't get that Natasha palette, I would kind of be like, I don't love this box, because I feel like I'm not always someone who loves getting a ton of lip products, especially kind of 2 similar products. Like I feel like a lip balm and a lip oil, like those are pretty similar. But here is what it looks like. Kind of reminds me of like the lip like lip tubes we used to get when we were little. I'm kind of curious if it has a smell. It does. It smells like cake. All right, I'm gonna put a little bit out right here so we can see. Here's what it looks like. Very similar to the Jouer, but it has a tiny tint to it. And again, it smells nice. Kind of smells like cake, almost like coffee, actually. Like a coffee cake, maybe. And the price on that one is $11. So, to summarize, in our box, we got this lip product. We also got the Jouer Essential Lip Enhancer, so 2 different lip products. We got the 2 eyeliners, the black, the brown, and then we also got this serum, and this was the anti-pollution serum, and then we also got the Natasha Denona palette. And I feel like I said, without the palette, I would be a bit disappointed. I'm just not always excited about eyeliners or lip like balms like that, but I do think the palette definitely makes it worth it, considering this is an expensiver palette, and Natasha Denona is something that we don't get very often. And if this is the tones that you like, then I think you'll like this one. I would love to know down below what you got in your variation. I am going to add up the total really quick though, so we can see what the total of the box is. All right, so adding up my box, it's $140 this month, which is great. It's a very high valued box. So again, I'd love to know down in the comment section what you got inside of yours, and let me know if you guys are excited about the products I got in mine. Hopefully I get a lot of use out of them. Again, my variation is number 40. I don't think I said that, so variation number 40. I will also have the dimension and the weight of my box down in the description box. I know you guys always want to know that. But thank you so much for watching another Boxycharm unboxing, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye, friends.